Okay, this is something I've been eating almost every day for almost 2 years now as either a dessert, a snack, something I eat early in the afternoon to hold me over until dinner time, and it keeps me quite full. So what you need is weetbix. I use the original because I haven't tried any other flavors, but I kind of want to try the chocolate one, so I'll get that next time. Some crushed up Oreos or any topping of your choice. I got this massive like 1 kilo bag just because I love the Oreo toppings, and this one is just the cookie part, not the cream in the middle. Milk of your choice, and I personally use YoPro yogurt just because I like the taste and it has good protein content. And I usually just weigh a scale. Oh my god, use a scale to weigh it, but you don't have to, you can eyeball it. Get any container that you like. I have these like pretty shallow containers, but it works. It's like a good amount. Get your scale ready. So I usually take 2 weetbix out, like so, and I'll easily just crush it into the box, the container. Obviously, like, wash your hands before. If you got nasty ass hands, don't do this. Like that. I'll pour about 70 mils of milk in it just because it gives me the consistency that I want. Yeah, that's 70. Take a spoon and then you want to pat it down so it makes a nice solid base. So it looks like that. That's a base now. And then you'll take your yogurt. I like to scoop around 120 grams of yogurt onto the top. This is just a vanilla flavored one. Yep, that's 120. And then you'll just spread it over evenly across your weetbix base. Like that. And then I'm gonna get my Oreo bits, the Oreo cookie crumbs. I actually don't know where you can get these bags in Australia because I hauled this all the way over from Taiwan at like a baking store. And I don't think this is, I don't know what language this is, but it's not English. And I don't know where this is from. Sprinkle it over the top. How good does that look? It's literally like Oreo, I wouldn't say Oreo cheesecake, but Oreo dessert, Oreo ice cream. So that's one down. Took me like probably less than 5 minutes, but just because I was explaining. I usually make 2 of these at a time. I have another container ready that I'm gonna do. But I put this in the night, well, not in the night, put this in the fridge overnight, at least 1 night, but sometimes I let it sit for like 3 nights and it doesn't go bad. But yeah, put this in overnight and then you can have it the next morning or whenever you want. But I highly recommend